More scrutiny and regulation ahead for cryptocurrencies. That's thanks to crypto crashes that wiped out more than $2 trillion. And that's drawn the ire of the Bank of England. Our David Hollerith has been following all this latest crypto news. So, Dave, just how much tougher then could these rules get?
That's a good question, Rochelle. I think that the main thing that's being underlined right now is the focus on stable coins. Central bank, the UK central bank today conveyed through meeting minutes they released that they want heavier regulations on stable coins. That's also being conveyed by the European Systemic Risk Board, as well as different parts of the U.S. government, most led by the Biden administration. But I think the main idea here in terms of regulation is just to get it done at this point. The central bank note or meeting notes did not really indicate a specific type of policy framework they wanted to move to. But regarding stablecoins, the main thing that's being talked about is whether or not stablecoin issuers should be regulated like banks. There's also more sort of like I guess what we could say is more crypto-friendly regulations that are being posed as bills in the U.S. right now, which are just sort of stipulating that cryptocurrency or stablecoin issuers need to have at least 100% of their reserves backed in safer assets such as cash or U.S. treasuries. And the whole point of this is so that stablecoins can meet redemptions to prevent bank runs.
Also, David, Meta Platforms announcing today it's discontinuing its cryptocurrency Novi. Can you tell us what it means for Meta, and is it just a greater reflection of the market as a whole?
Yeah, so this actually gets a little confusing because obviously Meta's gone through a lot of rebrandings in the past, particularly with this project. So back in 2019, Libra was a stablecoin that Facebook at that time, as Meta was called, had sort of proposed as a project in which they wanted to basically improve cross-border payments globally. And this has changed a lot based essentially on regulator backlash and sort of having difficulty for Facebook, now Meta, getting the project off the ground. Now, part of this was Novi, which was sort of the cryptocurrency wallet that is connected to Libra, which was quickly rebranded as Diem. So Facebook has actually shuttered or sold its assets that hold the assets for Diem to the crypto bank Silvergate. But in light of this, they're also announcing as of July 21st that they're shutting down the crypto wallet that is associated with it, Novi. So this is sort of an end to Meta's first forays into crypto. But that being said, a Meta spokesperson has sort of underlined that the technology that has been used for this project will show up potentially in other products. Notably, Instagram and Facebook both have allowing certain select creators to test and use NFTs. So I don't think we could say this is the end of Meta's foray into crypto assets, but it looks like it is sort of the end to their stablecoin, at least for now.
Okay, David Hollerith, appreciate the time. Thank you, sir.